So for the awning, you're going to want to pull this down, screw this tight, and that'll make your rain dump. That'll let the rain run off one side or the other. Just be careful when you're letting it loose, because there's a gas shock here. Hold on to the arm and let it slide up. So this is your hot water heater. You're going to have a blow off valve here. You're going to have a reset button here. And then down underneath, you've got an on-off switch to turn this thing on. On this side, we've got an outdoor shower. You've got your power cord. Down below, we've got your dump station. Gray over here, black over here. This door is for storage underneath the dinette. Okay, to put the bunk ends down, you're going to want to take this pole out up top. So this pole here needs to come down, goes on the bed. You're going to want to fold the mattress over, pull the edge of the mattress back to this black line. That's all going to fold up when you close the camper down. Alright, so a little trick when you're closing the canvas up, make sure you turn the fan on. This is going to help pull the canvas in, make closing the ends up a little bit easier for you. Just that on a couple times, we'll go out.